Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a hair tutorial and I'll be showing you guys how I created this really nice sleek kinky ponytail. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked watching. So this is what my hair looked like, and now I'm just going to go ahead to show you guys the things that I used to create the look. So I have my spray bottle and mine contains water and leave-in conditioner. I also use 2 edge control, the eco styler and my gorilla snot gel. Then I use this hairbrush just to make sure everything is flat as possible. You would also need something to section your hair. I used this cotton comb, and you would need something to detangle as well. A white tooth comb would do. You also need rubber bands to keep your hair in sections, and these are bobby pins that I have in this container. Now this toothbrush are for my edges, and this is what the extensions that I use look like. Now that you have all your materials, I'm just going to go ahead and start. So I sectioned my hair. I wanted my style to be a center part. It's not compulsory that you make it a center part. If you want to do an all back, a middle part, whatever you want to do, it's okay. You can play around with it. So I chose a side part, and now I created my part already. Now I'm just going to put my hair in sections, and I'm using my fingers to do that. I divided the hair into sections, and then I used a rubber band to hold each section. I did a total of 4 sections, 2 at the back and 2 in front. Now that I have my hair in sections, I'm going to go ahead and start, and I'll be starting from behind. So I just loosened one section, and then I'm going to go ahead to detangle. After detangling, I went in with my spray bottle, which contains water and a leave-in conditioner. So I just started to spritz that onto my hair. As I was applying that, I was using my fingers to massage it into my hair. And after that, I went in with my edge control. I used the eco styler for this step. After that, I went into the second section behind and did the same. Now I'm just using my white tooth comb to brush the hair upward, making sure that everything is slick and nice. And after that, I went in with a rubber band to hold it together. So this is what it should look like. Now onto the front, and I'm just going to repeat the same steps. I'll detangle first, spritz some water and conditioner onto the hair, and then go in with my edge control. For the front, you want to make sure that your edges are sleek, and I applied quite a bit of product in front compared to the back. To make application easier, you can do the same thing that I'm doing, sectioning my hair first and then going in with the product. So now I'm just using my finger to make sure that everything is well and nice, and now I'm just going to comb it back and then add it to the ones that I did already. I'm using this brush to make sure that everything is flat. You want the front of the hair to be as flat as possible so that there won't be any bumps or anything. So you want the roots to be as flat as possible. Now onto the last section, and I'll just be repeating the same process. I have everything in a ponytail now, so I'm going to be going in with my Gorilla Snot Gel. I just feel that the Gorilla Snot Gel has more hold than the Eco Styler, for my hair at least. So I just use that as a top coat and I apply that all over the top of my hair. And then I went in with a toothbrush to make sure that my edges are nice and slick. For the other parts of my hair, to slick it back, I use the brush. Now I'm just going to put the part of my I'll put my bun in like a single braid. The braid was actually very fat, but it's no problem, so I put that in braid and I held it down with a bobby pin. So now that we are done with that, I'm just going to be going ahead to attach the extension. And this extension I got from an Instagram seller, Natural Hair Wig, something like that. I'll leave it, the name in the description box. So this is what the hair looks like. Really nice. It comes with that space to put the bun in and 2 combs and a string to like tighten it. So now I'm just going to be applying that. I'll be using the 2 combs beside to like hold the hair in place. Then I went in and I tightened it with this string that is attached to the extension as well, but it didn't hold well, so I needed to go in with a bobby pin to like pin the sides, you know, like between the combs there were some openings there, so I just pinned it down and then I just threw the string around the bun like that. For extra security and just to like cover that string, because I didn't like the look of the string, I went in with like a portion of the extension and I just wrapped that around to cover up the mess. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Now I'm just going to apply this serum to the extension. It came with the hair, so I'm not really sure what the serum is made of, and I just applied that onto the hair. And then I went in with a scarf to slick it down. If you have like a hair dryer, if you use heat on your hair, a hair dryer would have been better to dry it out. But I waited for a bit, I did my makeup and played around a little bit just for the hair to dry up a little. And this is the finished look guys. I hope you enjoy watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Show me some love guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, so subscribe. If you have any video suggestions, leave it in the comment section and I'll get to it if I can. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.